I'm Pete.
I'm Stephanie.
You may know us from our video series, The Cool Parts Show.
In each episode of the show, we highlight an unusual, innovative, surprising, cool 3D printed part, and for the second time, we want to invite you to be part of the selection process.
That's right, we will be hosting the Cool Parts Showcase. We've done this once before, and it was a huge success. And this time, we're going to be doing it as part of the Formnext Forum event in Austin, Texas. Here's how it works.
From now through May 30th, we are accepting submissions of your coolest 3D printed parts. We're looking for parts in 3 different categories. Best production part for something that is currently in use or for sale today, best proof of concept for a promising application that has not yet been commercialized, and best bespoke solution for a part that solves a specific challenge. You can submit your parts at formnextforum.com.
Use that entry form to provide description, details, photos of your really cool 3D printed component. The finalist parts will all be on display at the Formnext Forum in Austin.
That event takes place at the end of August, and that's when you, our viewers, will be able to cast your votes for your favorite part. We will announce the winners at Formnext Forum, and then we'll film episodes with each of the 3 winning parts.
That's right, enter the Cool Parts Showcase. Here is that URL again. Enter for the chance to show all the attendees at Formnext Forum what you've been working on, and if you go all the way and win in one of the categories, to appear on the Cool Parts Show. Good luck.
As always, thanks for watching.